What are journal entries? Journal entries are how we record transactions into the accounting system. Now, let me explain it in the easiest terms possible. Debits and credits are the language of accounting. If I want to tell the accounting software that my assets are increasing, I have to say asset debit. Because in accounting, there are rules of what debits and credits mean. I'll also leave that right there. Memorize the rules, you'll be just fine. So I hope you can see that assets increase on the debit side, assets decrease on the credit side. However, when we're talking about liabilities, they increase on credit side, decrease on debit side. Similarly with equity, increase on credit, decrease on debit. So you have to make sure you understand the rules perfectly and memorize the rules. Don't do any shortcuts, don't do acronym way. Please stay away from those methods. Now, I was about to move to the next step, but why don't I give you an example here? So let's say owner introduced $100,000 cash into the business. What happens? Cash goes up, capital goes up. If you already know that concept, I hope you watched my accounting equation video, you will have learned it there. But in any case, trust me right now, that's what happens. Okay, I'm not lying here. So what are we going to think about this? So, okay, asset, which is cash, is going up, so it will be debt. And capital, which is equity, it goes up on credit. So that's all what journal entries are. That's how you know what is debit, what is credit in each transaction. And in each journal entry, there's one debit, one credit for 99% of the transactions. Of course, there's some transactions that are like more debits and okay, ignore that for now. For now, what I said, keep that in mind.
Darling, you